When you receive a radius dish from Guitar Templates, they're made from 32mm thick MDF, which means they're quite stable. But during the process to route the curvature into the surface, they are left with these concentric ribs. They're very fine. You probably can't see them in the image, but there's this ribbing on there. It's not a super smooth surface, and this is perfectly okay to use it as a clamping caul, but I also think it needs to be sealed. Otherwise, it will eventually absorb moisture and it'll swell and not be ideal. The other thing is, if you're going to stick sandpaper to it, you want to make sure that you've got a nice smooth surface for the adhesive back sandpaper to stick to, and also that you can then take it off, clean it up and put another one on in future. So you need to sand this lightly. The MDF in the core of the board is softer than the MDF or the surface which is treated with a resin to make it harder. So on your top surface here, coming in from the edge maybe 25, 30, 40 millimeters, you still have that hard resin. So this area out here is harder than the stuff in the middle. And you'll need to take a bit more time sanding out there, but don't over sand the middle while you're doing it. You'll change the shape. But just get most of that ribbing out. Apply a seal coat, polyurethane, lacquer. Could use shellac, but I think probably something like a polyurethane that leaves a nice, hard, smooth, shiny surface would be the way to go. It'll raise the grain. You'll need to sand it again, 2 or 3 coats at least, to make sure you've got a nice, smooth surface for that sandpaper to stick to. While you're doing it, do the edges and a coat on the back. That way the whole thing gets sealed, stops the moisture getting into it and swelling. That's it. Good luck with your guitar building.